Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I am headed to my favorite matcha spot currently called Rhythm Zero in the West Village. And then I'm gonna go to St. George, which is the Brandy Melville Cafe, like a block away, which has the best sandwiches ever. I'm gonna sit there and do some work. I have some fun things planned for today. I am going to MA Studios gifting suite, which is actually the sweatshirt I'm wearing right now. You guys will see it later. But I'm gonna go pick out some fun things there. Then I'm going to the Adina Raider jewelry pop-up. And then I have a Galentine's later today. I'm so excited.
He was helping me and I was like, oh, thank you, Julian. Thank you. Micah.
Is it possible?
It's so good, it's insane. It's sweet, and I typically like my matcha like bitter, like no sweetener at all. This blueberry matcha is absolutely insane. I'm headed to St. George now. And then I'm gonna grab my sandwich. There's a little like spot upstairs where you can have your laptops and work. So I'm gonna do some work on my graphic design portfolio, as I always am. And yeah, then I'm gonna go to MA, pick out some things. What else? I guess we'll see where the day takes me. It's so windy, I'm so annoyed. It's so windy. It's absolutely awful. Like, I'm actually mad. Because it's supposed to be like 45 degrees today, like a little bit warmer than it has been in New York. And all it is frigid freezing. But I'm walking to the Frankie shop now before my MA appointment. Okay, so I'm walking around Soho now. I worked a little bit at the cafe. And now it's so cold. The wind is like insane. But I'm gonna shop around until my 1 p.m. appointment at MA. And then I'm going to Adina, like I said. I just did not dress appropriately. I'm in my Max Mara coat. Just got all my MA goodies. I cannot believe how generous they are. We went to their pop-up in LA like 2 years ago. Gave us so much stuff. They are literally the best. Now I'm walking into the Frankie shop. I also forgot to mention it's Fashion Week, so the girls are feral in Soho today. Okay, Frankie shop wasn't that good, not even worth filming, but this is my old neighborhood. And I'm so glad I honestly don't live here anymore because it is, wow, that's a cool car. It is so crowded. I cannot. Okay, this vlog has been hectic, but I just got home from doing everything, and I also just got a big PR box in the mail, so I'm gonna open it. Sol de Janeiro. Whoa. That's insane. Is that a speaker? The new Delicia Drench scent. There's a cap on it. And wow, a little shower speaker. Really quick, I got the new Rhode lip liner sent to me, and they're amazing. My favorite shade so far is Twist. And then also my current favorite brand for body care, Cyclar from Claudia Salewski. They sent me the perfume oils. And they're absolutely insane. If you're gonna get one, get the Secret Santal. They have body washes that are absolutely unreal. Okay, here's a haul of everything I got from MA. Absolutely insane. First are these sweatpants. so cool. I love their little like tag. It has like 3 little colors there. Love. First I got that. Then I got this really cool zip up. Oh, it's all so good. Then I got this cream colored knit. Their stuff's amazing. Then I got sweatshirt. What size did I get in this? Medium? Should have gotten a large. No, this is perfect. Love the design on the back. Are these jeans that I tried on? They're sick. Perfect fit. Rain coat. Yeah, we'll be wearing that all spring. Got this hat. Love. I stopped into Ana Luisa and I got a new pair of gold hoops because they were having 10% off their gold, solid gold, so yes. And I needed a new 3rd hole. So I just did a jewelry tour on my TikTok actually, if you want all the details on all my jewelry. But I'm gonna put this in my 3rd hole. So good. Love, love. Really happy with that purchase. And then, oh, I went to Popup. I need more Botox on my chin. I went to Popup Grocer and I got some fun things to show. First is this AO Mayo from Molly Baz. I got the yellow one, had to try this one. Then I got Zaz Choco Pops Dark Chocolate Almond Crunchy Popcorn Bites. Yeah, let's see. Looks like there's, this is so good. Looks like there's popcorn in the center. I don't know. Oh, they're just chocolate covered popcorn. That's really good dark chocolate. And then, these are my favorite chips. These Snoods. I'm gonna try them in a sec. I just wanna see what else I got. Oh, I got this in PR, just in my bag. By Henry Rose, the perfume. In Dave, it's a little too sweet for me. I don't think I could do it, even though the bottle's gorgeous. Now I have to film a ton of videos, and I also have to make Rice Krispie treats for the Galentines I'm going to. There's so much to do, no time in the day. Okay, this is the finished product. I made 6 big hearts and then little bite-sized ones because these were a bit too big, so I figured the small ones would be easier to grab. Look how cute they turned out. Okay, 2 massive packages just came for me. No idea what they could be, but they both say heavy. So we're gonna open them on camera. Oh, no, you're absolutely lying. It's Poppy. I DM'd Poppy and I said my favorite flavor of Poppy is the wild berry. They just sent me 6 cases of wild berry.
Stop!
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. The way I have to go to the grocery store and buy these like every 2 days. 4. Oh, we got a variety pack. 5. 6. I am freaking out. Wow, thank you, Poppy. I'm shook.
What?
Wild berry, my favorite. 1, 2, 3. Variety pack. Variety pack. 4. I have to. I'm freaking out. I literally tonight was like, I'm going to the Galentines. I'm like, oh, I wish I had my wild berry prebiotic or my wild berry poppy. I have it. I have 6 cases of it. So.
I was like, oh good. What did she text them? Like literally a week ago.
No, I just love like it did like receipt.
Because she posted it maybe like 8 days.
Oh my
And I was like, oh, this kind of
calls with your car soul.
charger rushed me.
Good morning. I am headed to a matcha pop-up at No Standing NYC for Montauk General Store matcha. And I'm about to take a city bike. I'm waiting online for my matcha. Some oils alarm for this long, but I'm excited. So the matcha is inside this vintage store called No Standing. And you have to purchase something to get the matcha. That's how good the matcha is. Or you can make a donation to LA Fires, which I'm probably gonna do because I don't wear a lot of vintage. Okay, let's try it. Oh, interesting. Wow. It is really good. It's very different from matchas I've had because she cold whisked it with milk instead of water. So it's really frothy. She had a little bit of maple syrup, which I never do. It makes it perfectly sweet. Makes it perfectly sweet. And then there's cold foam on top. I'll give it like... It's delightful, like a 9 out of 10. So I'm just walking around, I call it the Strip, Broadway in New York with all the stores. I'm gonna pop into Zara. I'm going to the corner store tonight with my friend Bridget. And I want a cute fit. Maybe I'll go to Bloomingdale's. I don't know, I just have like nothing to do today, so I figured I'd just walk around and get my steps in. The Soho Zara is honestly a nightmare, but I've tackled it one too many times. I know what I'm doing at this point. Okay, I've not eaten one single thing today, so I need to get some groceries. So I'm actually gonna go to the Tin Building, pick up my favorite bread to make sandwiches, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get like cold cuts and stuff. Make a nice sandwich, chill. My boyfriend Daniel's coming tonight. He'll be here in like 2 hours. And then I'm probably just gonna clean up around my apartment before I have to get ready to go to the corner store. I'm so excited. I've been dying to go for so long. I'm so out of breath. Oh my God, I just went up like 4 flights of stairs. Oh, also tomorrow's the Super Bowl. I guess I'll be making some fun food. Look at these baby apples. Sick. Oh my God, there's passion fruit. I think I need to get that. Yep. Okay, so I'm getting ready for dinner now. We just sold our couch because we're getting a new one. So I had to deal with that. It's frigid, freezing cold, and it's gonna snow. Or tomorrow, but still. I've been loving this Givenchy Prism Libre Glow Serum Foundation. It's really nice. I will say it's really, really nice. I'll see you when I get dressed. Here is my outfit. Blazer from Naked, pants from Nadine Marabi, little bag from Source Unknown, earrings from Jenny Bird. Let's go.
I'm sorry, you're my favorite YouTuber.
Say it again.
Sierra's my favorite YouTuber. And that's how we became friends.
Yes, it is.
Because I was watching her YouTube videos.
Yes, and then we met up.
We met up.
At Ahmed.
Landor.
Yeah.
Very underrated.
Yes, so we are here at the bar. What do we get?
I'm thinking about, I've had.
Okay, what have you
the
had?
tomato and I've had the sour cream.
I was gonna ask you about both.
They're good. They're both good. But since I want to enjoy my drink,
Right.
I'm gonna get one of these. I don't know what's the difference. The
Okay.
store filthy
Vermouth.
I'll probably get this one.
Okay, wait. So I got the filth.
And I
Bridget
the
got
regular dirty.
Ollie's dirty. I like mine dirty. You know what? I feel like it's not even that dirty, but
Oh, really?
yeah. Let me try this. Let's see if it even compares to dirty.
Oh yeah, yours is definitely dirtier.
Oh yeah. I like that. I like mine better. Yep. I need dirty. Okay, so we got pizza rolls with hot honey and lobster rolls with caviar.
This is like the stunning spread.
gagged. Yeah. Gag the end.
So roll with caviar. Oh my god.
This bun is toasted to perfection.
Okay, caviar lobster roll.
Yes. The bun is just
The bun is crispy. Unreal.
yeah, it's so bomb.
Unreal.
No bad bites here. Kind of hard to eat. The bread. The bread.
Sickening.
Fries. All the sauces. Caesar salad. French dip. Okay, so we last minute decided on the Samoa. I don't even know what it is.
Yeah, literally, I was just like the Samoa. Like,
Ice cream, I guess, with Samoa on top. We're gonna try it. We're at Bridget's. We had a great meal. Vibes are set.
It started snowing, so we lit every candle in the
It's snowing like crazy. The boys are about to be here. We're gonna stay in and chill.
Crazy that it's 9:30.
Crazy that it's 9:30.
It's not even 9:30, it's 9:20.
It's the best news I ever heard in my life. Okay, can you pour?
Yeah, okay, so we'll pour. Wait, let me do. Wait.
You're.
Okay, we made it back home. We're having some tea, peppermint tea, because it's snowing, so we just had to like.
Wow.
Make the cozy vibes.
Oh my god.
Is your glass ready?
I need a little more. I didn't fully fill it.
Getting Cierra's tea. Hi.
Here they are. We're opening Bridget's PR. And we have a little surprise.
Yeah.
Makeup by Mario. What's the new product? The new product? We're eating candy. Oh my god.
Do I try this?
Confidential until 2:05. It's already 2:05. I would. Just wash it off. Okay. We're with the twins.
Oh, you're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Show them what I made.
Okay, we're with the twins. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I didn't get to vlog all day because this was the main event. Mac and cheese.
I have to eat my sister salad with a spoon, Danielle. Yeah, I'm so
I think these are animals. This is, yeah. Yep. Pretzel dogs. Caesar salad. What else? Buffalo chicken. Oh my god, this insane truffle cheese with honey. And some veggies. And this is my plate looking very beige. I had the girls try the fried egg chips from the last vlog. Sick. Yep. And also, I actually tried the new cream soda papa yesterday and I really liked it.
But you didn't like it?
Cierra, are you like fascinated by like